what we are learning on that scoop that is being said on the fleet of 787 surveillance was pointed out. Now, what is being said that has been found in the recent surveillance that was conducted on Air India's Boeing 787 fleet following the June 12 tragedy, according to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, which is the DGCA. And however, it did raise concerns over the recent maintenance-related issues reported by the airline in a meeting with senior Air India Group officials. Now, mainly when it comes to this high-level meeting that has been taking place, Sabyasachi, the big relief, however, is coming in the way of no major safety concerns that have been found. But in the last 48 hours alone, there has been certain issues with regards to flights that have been reported, and they are being also highlighted. What explains that?
Definitely during the last 48 hours, several flights of Air India has been either delayed or cancelled. Now, there are multiple reasons that has been cited by the Air India. Some happened because of technical fault and other because of other issues. Now, the statement that has come into light from the DGCA yesterday, I'll highlight the important points from there. The surveillance conducted by the DGCA on Air India Boeing 787 fleet has been completed, and the investigation has not revealed any significant safety concerns with the fleet, and both the aircraft and associated maintenance systems were found to meet the existing safety standards that has been set out by the DGCA, and the findings are firm. The compliance of Air India Boeing 787 operations with regulatory requirements, and the DGCA sources confirm that the fleet adheres to the stipulated safety protocols and standard. Now, what Air India sources tell us that there are various reasons why there has been the delay and cancellation of flights in the last 48 hours that we had seen, and Air India also highlighted that they are in continuous touch with the passengers to provide them.
So no major safety concerns that have been found in the recent surveillance conducted on Air India's Boeing 787 fleet following the tragedy, and this is coming from the DGCA itself. For the moment, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. We head into a short break. Lots more lined up on the other side.